Hi, welcome back. In this video and upcoming few videos, we're gonna learn about a library which is called the math library. So we have the with the math library, it has like a 20 function on this library, and which allows to get use a lot of stuff like square root, or maybe you wanna raise a power for a number, or maybe you want to get the absolute value, then you're gonna have to include the math library. The way to include it is by typing it, as you guys see over here. We have typed include IOStream. It's same thing. You're gonna write include CMath, and the math is, as you guys know, is for math library, but the C over here means that this library, math, is from the C language library. So basically we use the C programming language library in our C++ program. So that's possible. And the way we're gonna use this library, as we said, it has 20 function on it. So by function, let's define what function means. So whenever we have function, we're gonna learn about a function, and we're gonna say the function name is my function. This is a function. The function has parentheses over here, and inside this parentheses we're gonna have the argument. And what we mean by the argument is a value that you pass for this function, so that this function could make use of that value that passed. So we're gonna pass a variable or something like that for this function, and this function gonna make use from that argument that we passed. And so as example, we have a function named square root, which is already created in our library. CMath library has function named square root, which is gonna give us the square root for a value. And let's suppose we have the 4. The square root for 4 is 2, or square root for 9 is 3. The way we're gonna write this is we're gonna write square root, and over here we're gonna pass the value. So I could pass 4. This is gonna give, if I run the program, this is gonna give me 2. If I write it this way, square root of 9, this is gonna give me 3. Or square root of 49 is gonna give me 7. So let's write our function square root, and let's create a function, name it double x, and we're gonna say, let's suppose x equals 4, and we're gonna say square root cout the square root of x, or which is 4 in this case, is square root of the x. So if I run this program, what's gonna happen over here? I created a double named x equals 4, and I said the square root of this number, which is 4, is and I call the function square root. So if I run this program now, it's gonna show the square root of 4 is 2. Let's make the space a little bit more over here. So it says the square root of 4 is 2. As you guys see, this gave us the square root of our value x. So if I had the value equals 9, and if I run the program, it's gonna say the square root of 9 is 3.